What up, it's your boy, dog, it's Casey here, and welcome to episode 1 of Cooking with Casey. Damn, it's been requested a load, and today we're cooking some Angel Delight for my first video, so I've got to go find a cam. Alright guys, we're back, so we're going to just rip this open just a sec. Oops, I think we just did some stuff wrong. Now we need half a pint of milk, so if you have a little pint jug, you need half a pint of milk. So we're just going to have a little measure, so it's about there. Just have a little check. Is that enough? No, we need a couple bit more. There we go. Yeah, I think there's a bit too much, but hey, we can have it milky if we want. Then we're going to pour all of it in. We're going to pour all of this Angel Delight in. Oh, look at that. It just looks delicious, doesn't it, guys? Doesn't it, guys, mates? I've been playing a lot of Geometry Dash today, getting all the secret coins for you guys. Then we might be able to play some club step, but that's a bit off topic. Yeah. So next what you need to do is whisk it thoroughly with a good whisk, and until it turns a bit thick. So we're just going to do some whisking work. It just start to look like this. You just keep whisking it about. It might turn a bit like that. And eventually you'll start to see it go from liquid into a sort of thicker. We are going to be taste testing it as well and adding some extra decorations. Happy to see what I did there. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, Jesus. See, I've got a lot of people in here with me watching the first episode because this has been requested a load. Planning what video to do. Yeah. Guys, mates, we're having other people have a little go at whisking. It's going to take quite a while, so we're jumping cutting some stuff out. So we'll see you guys, mates, when it's kind of thick. So you see my sister's having a little go. The reason why I didn't whisk it too fast is because I was standing up. And my dad's having a little go. Dad, what are you doing? See you guys in a minute.
Fun.
I think it's big enough, you guys. Yeah. So now we're going to pour it into our bowls. There's my bowl. There's Seb's bowl. There's Emmy's bowl. Emmy, you don't want too much, do you?
No.
So I'll give her just a little bit.
And if there's any left over, I'll have
His dad's bowl. He's going to have quite a lot.
Well, if there's any leftovers, then I'll have...
Just pour some more into each bowl.
Pour it into each.
Gave Seb a bit too much. Give me a little bit. I think Dad needs a tiny bit more as well.
Hey, I haven't got very much.
Well, you said you didn't want much. By the
That's
way,
no fair.
me and Seb need a bit more. Seb, you need more as well. Give Dad some more.
Aww.
Give myself some more. And give Seb some more. And give Emmy some more. And there we go. Now, that's Angel Delight, but we've got a bowl of sprinkles as well, so that's going to be fun. So we're going to get some decorations. This is going to be delicious. And we're going to do some aftermath as well of tasting it. Everyone in here wants to get a taste, don't we? Don't you guys all want to get a taste?
I've already tasted. I haven't.
Now, is that good? That's good. Perfect.
That's good.
Absolutely perfect. Dad, do you want a lot of sprinkles?
Yeah.
I want a lot of sprinkles. No.
Not the whisk. I'm trying to be fair with everyone, but I can't measure very well.
I can measure, but I'm not with sprinkles. Okay.
I think our bowls are ready. Just give me some more. Right, guys, pause the video. Guys, we're waiting for it to set. Looks so delicious. It's mine, Sebs, Immys, Dad's, and they're having another argument outside. Guys, it has set. Alright guys, here we go. That's good. That's good, you guys.
That's quite nice.
But it is very milky. Told ya. I just showed you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Everything will be in the description. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.